In this quick video, we'll be covering an overview of the Control-M for SAP plugin, its core features and functionalities, and at the end of this video, we'll also go over the steps to install it. SAP is the core of critical business processes, but it rarely operates in isolation. You've got data movement, batch jobs, file transfers, and integrations happening across multiple systems. Control-M helps bring all of that together in a single orchestrated workflow. Control-M for SAP gives you full control over your SAP workloads, from job scheduling and monitoring to event-driven automation. It also extends into BI, process change, SAP S/4HANA, and even external integrations. So instead of managing SAP in isolation, you're managing it as a part of your enterprise workload. One of the biggest challenges is lack of visibility across SAP and non-SAP systems. Jobs run in different systems, and there's no easy way to track end-to-end processes. Control-M solves this by giving you a centralized, real-time view of your entire workflow. Once you have visibility, the next problem becomes control. It's not enough to just see what's happening, you also need to act on it. Without a centralized control, stopping or restarting jobs during failures or maintenance becomes risky, and Control-M gives you full control to pause, resume, and recover your workflows dynamically. Beyond control, communication also becomes critical. Another major challenge is notifications and knowing when systems fail and who needs to act on it. Without proper alerts, issues go unnoticed, and tickets can pile up. Control-M provides real-time alerts and automated notifications to keep your team aligned. So when you combine visibility, control, and notifications, you get true end-to-end SAP orchestration. In the next section, we'll walk you through how to install the Control-M for SAP plugin on a Windows host that already has a Control-M agent installed. We'll go step by step so you can follow along and set this up in your own environment. First, you want to navigate to your Control-M SaaS environment and log in. From here, we want to navigate to the Configuration Manager. Next, we want to go to Plugins. And from here, we want to click on the Install Plugin button. In this right-hand pop-up, we can search for SAP. And when we click on the SAP option, we get the full list of prerequisites and the installation steps for the different operating systems. As you can see, we have standard installation on Linux, on AIX, on Windows, automated install, and automated upgrades. So prior to installing the Control-M for SAP plugin, we need to make sure that we have a Control-M for SaaS agent version 9.20 or above installed. We need to make sure that all jobs running on the agent have ended. And to complete the installation, SAP Java connector is required. You can check the description of this video for the link to the full installation instruction documentation. So to get started, we can navigate to the standard installation on Windows. And from here, we can follow the steps to install the plugin. So the first step is to log into the target host with administrative privileges and download the installation files and save it on the target host. Next, we need to set our Java environment variable. To do that, we can open up command prompt as administrator. And from here, we can follow the instructions that were provided. So we can type set. After completing step 2, we can proceed with step 3 and stop the agent from the services window. To do that, we can open up services. Control-M agent, stop. After we've stopped the agent from the services window, we can now run the plugin installation file as an administrator. In this pop-up, we can click Next. Next again. And now we've successfully installed the Control M for SAP plugin. In order to start working with the plugin for SAP, we need to copy the SAP JCO files to the following directory. Now let's visit the post-installation steps. After the Control M for SAP plugin is installed successfully, you must follow the post-installation steps to download the required SAP Java connector files. After you've downloaded the required SAP Java connector files, you must place them in either one of these directories, depending on the operating system of your Control M agent's host. After you finish these steps, you can go back to your services window, restart your Control M agent, and now you should have fully installed the Control M for SAP plugin. With that being said, that brings us to the end of this video. We will have the links to the Control M for SAP installation documentations in the description. And in the upcoming videos, we'll go over how to create and schedule SAP jobs in Control M SaaS. Thank you.